curly and nice. See, y'all thought that 4C hair can do this. Y'all thought. Hey guys, what's up? It's Emem here with another video. So today I'm going to be doing another hair tutorial for my hair, and so I'm going to be showing you guys how I get the very defined and moisturized twist outs. And so I know it's kind of, people feel like 4C hair can't really give you really defined twist outs, and so I'm just here to like show you guys the steps that I use to get my twist outs to look nice and curly and defined. And so yeah, I'm gonna be going through steps, and so I'm gonna be talking through this video. I feel like I haven't talked to the camera in a while, so I'm gonna be doing that. I'm gonna show you guys my technique and just basically what I do in general, and just give you guys tips and tricks of like what to do and everything. So yeah, let's get into this video and start on my hair, because this is gonna be a while. So first of all, I'm starting on freshly conditioned hair. My hair is still kind of wet, and sometimes this can be bad because it takes too long to dry. So you actually need your hair to be damp, not exactly wet. And so I'm going to use you can use a t-shirt or you can use a towel, and basically just like wrap your hair and like start to take out all the excess water from your hair. And so my hair is already sectioned because I wash my hair in sections. I condition my hair in sections. If you want to see my wash day routine, you should click the thing up here. It's gonna be on one side or in the description box, or just go through my videos and watch other videos. So since my hair is already sectioned, it's very easy for me because I can work through the sections. It's better to actually do this in sections because it reduces tangling. Instead of like having to work with your whole hair, you're working with smaller sections, and it's going to be easy for you to do the twist outs. And so now I'm going to take out this first section and make sure it's damp and not really wet. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Alright, so now that my hair is mostly damp and not dripping wet, as you can see, my hair is easy to comb through with my fingers, which I really like. So this is the first section I'm gonna be working with. Because I want kind of medium size twist outs, I'm gonna split the section into 4, and yeah, work with it. So just to reduce the amount of work I have, I put on all my products on a section, and then I split it and twist them one by one, because it helps reduce the amount of work that I have to do instead of actually doing it with every like small section. So I'm going to put products on this whole section, and so the products I'm going to be using, as for my leave-in, I'm going to be using the Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner. I really like this. I feel like this is very popular, and it's actually like good for the hype, and it actually really helps my hair. And so I'm going to be starting with that. And I make sure to put all my products, put quite enough of it on my ends, because you know your ends are the weakest part of your hair, and so they need the most moisture. So make sure to also concentrate on your ends to make sure that your ends have enough moisture through this process, so that so your ends don't mess up when you're trying to do the twist out. So when I'm done with the leave-in conditioner, I go in with my coconut oil. I'm going to be using the Shea Butter 100% extra virgin coconut oil. I use coconut oil. Honestly, I've tried different oils. I feel like my favorite was the grapeseed oil, but for now I'm using coconut oil because this is what I have right now. But you know, oil doesn't exactly moisturize your hair. It stills in the moisture, and so it's always good to use oil on your hair so that it can seal in the moisture from the leave-in conditioner on your hair. So that's what I'm going to be using next. And so for my twist out cream, the cream I'm going to be using is the As I Am Twist Defining Cream. This is really good. I am going to be using this to define my twists, and so this is what I'm going to be using. And you definitely need a twist defining cream when you're trying to do a good twist out, so it can actually come out right. This is basically what are good to use as your cream to twist and make sure that your twist out come out right. So that's what I'm going to be using. Just make sure to put it all over the section to make sure that every single part of the section is reached. And as I said, make sure that your ends are taken care of. Make sure to put enough on your ends because your ends are the weakest part of your hair and you want them to also curl up. Alright, now it's time for me to twist the hair. I'm going to section this into 4, as I said. I'm gonna put a little bit of my cream on this section. Focusing on the ends and also all over the hair basically. And then you go ahead and twist it. That's what it looks like. And for the end, what I do is I cocoon it. And so it's very easy. You put your finger right here, you fold it over, and then you use this and wrap it around the twist a little bit, and then you just pull it down a little bit till it's almost at the end. And so that's what it looks like when I cocoon it. So I try to like do this so that to make sure that my ends actually get curled also, because you know, sometimes it doesn't get curled, and so that's what it looks like when I do that. Alright, so now the first twist is done. Moving on to the next one. So I do exactly the same thing. If you feel like when you get to the end, you can add more product to the end just to make sure that every single part gets some love, you know? So let me show you guys how to do it again. So you have your hair with the end. I take the end, I put my hand around like in the almost to the end, wrap it up, then wrap the hair around the twist like that, right there, and then pull it down until it's almost at the end. And so that's what it looks like. Yep, so that's how I cocoon my hair. This is what I do to my hair. So now I'm just gonna repeat the same thing with the other sections. And so that's what the first section looks like. As you can see, they're all twisted up and the ends are cocooned. And so that's what it looks like. And yeah, I'm excited. This section was actually really big, but it's okay. So the first 2 sections are done and this is what they look like. I'm excited. And so yeah, that's the process. I'm gonna do the other sections now and yeah, come back when I am done. So now I'm done with every single section. This is what it looks like. As you can see, I like to do my twists outs small because my hair is short, and I feel like when you have short natural hair, it looks nicer when you make them smaller because like it looks fuller, you know, because it's short. So that's why I make them really small. I think it's better that way. And so this is what they look like. I am excited to see how they come out tomorrow. They're damp. I'm gonna allow them to dry. So one thing I wanted to say is I feel like a lot of times we want our hair to be a certain way that it's not. As for 4C girls like us, the way our twist out will come out is not the way another type of hair will come out. So like a way like a type 3 or like type 4A will come out is not the way a 4C hair twist outs will come out. So I feel like you shouldn't expect it to be like that, but you should expect it to be like what your hair really is, and love it the way your hair turns out. I just felt like it was important for me to say it, because I feel like a lot of people say, oh, 4C hair is not beautiful, 4C hair cannot create like beautiful curls or anything, but then it's 4C hair, and so you should love what your hair gives you. So like your twist out doesn't have to be all like wavy, because your hair is not wavy. And so I feel like that's something that people should know, and I just felt like I should say that in this video. And so I'm excited to see what this looks like tomorrow. I'll be back tomorrow with what it looks like. I'm gonna have it for the whole day and then sleep over in the night with it to make sure that it dries. To sleep, I'm just gonna wear my bonnet on top of it, and yeah, gonna rock this for today. Hey guys, so it's the next day. My hair is dry and ready to be untwisted. As you can see, they're all dry, and yeah, I'm actually excited to see what it looks like. They dry very kind of tightly, and I hope that means that it's gonna come out really great. And so I'm gonna start taking it out, but definitely before you start taking it out, you have to make sure to put oil in your hand so that you can reduce frizz. And yeah, it basically reduces frizz, so when you're taking them apart, they don't just like scatter, it keeps them together. And so I'm going to be using my Shea Moisture Reconstructive Finishing Elixir. It's basically a mix of different oils, like argan oil, so it has shea butter, it has avocado oil, carrot oil, castor oil. Is just basically a mixture of oils. And so I'm going to be using that to take down my twists. So I'm just gonna spray some in my hand and make sure that my hands are all oiled up. That's very important. And also, before I start taking it out, I just like to rub the oil on the twists, basically just for shine. I just rub it all over the twist for shine, and yeah, just to get ready. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit more. And yeah, it's time for me to start taking out the twist. So, you know how we cocooned the hair? It's very easy to take out the cocoons. All you have to do is just pull it out like that, and it's completely out. As you can see, the ends have been curled, and you're sure that it curled, so that's the reason why I cocoon it. And so that's what happens when you cocoon it. And yeah, you don't have to put it in perm rods, it just curls itself like that. And so it's very easy to just pull out, and you have curled ends. And so now I'm gonna take out the twist, and make sure to do this very carefully so that you don't destroy the definition. And so that's what it looks like after taking it down. It is defined and curly, and yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna continue taking all of them down now. So now they're all out of their twists. As you can see, they're very bouncy, and yeah, I'm really liking it already. So I'm gonna go in again and separate the twists themselves, and to separate the hair to make it fuller and yeah, you know, look more fuller, natural. So I'm gonna put more oil on my hand and go in again, carefully separating them where they want to separate. So definitely look for like where they really want to naturally separate. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's defined and moisturized, and it looks so curly and nice. I am going to, what's the word? Use my fingers to pick it out, because I don't have a pick, unfortunately. I'm just going to use my fingers to do this and make sure that all the different, like, the parts are covered, so that I don't have lines in my hair, you know? So So this is how it turned out. As you can see, the curls are defined and it still looks like natural, like 4C hair, you know. This is the way 4C hair looks when you do a twist out, and so I am very happy with how it turned out. It's defined and moisturized, and as you can see, it's shiny and nice. And so I hope you guys learned from this video. I hope you guys like this video. This is probably going to last me for a week, and so I'm happy with how it turned out. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and try it out. 4C hair, you guys, you can get this. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. All the products that I use will also be in the description box if you want to find them or use them. So yeah, that's the video for today. Have an amazing day. Check out all my other videos. Make sure to watch them and make sure to subscribe. I love you guys. Peace and strength.